What are the topics we discussed in yesterday's session? Development of portal vein followed by fetal circulation, right? So what was the topic left? Who is presenting development of superior vena cava? Come. Stop talking. Stop talking and open your textbook. Open your embryo textbook and see the fetal circulation diagram.
Good morning, all of you. I am your Sresh Dod. Today I am explaining you the development of superior vena cava. And this is the diagram of superior vena cava. Superior vena cava is contain deoxygenated blood to the heart and formation. The superior vena cava develops from the right atrium, cardinal vein, and right common cardinal vein during embryonic life. The time duration of this formation of superior vena cava is the 4 to 8 week, and they contain three cardinal veins, that is the anterior cardinal vein, posterior cardinal vein, and common cardinal vein. Anterior cardinal vein contain drain to head to the upper limb, and posterior cardinal vein contain drain to the lower body, and common cardinal vein formed by the union of anterior posterior cardinal vein. And what happened on the left side of the heart? In the left atrium, cardinal vein mostly regress or disappearance. The anastomosis developed between arterial cardinal vein and left cardinal vein. This one. And they form a brachiocephalic vein. When the anterior cardinal vein meets with the common cardinal vein, they form a bridge called as left cardiocephalic vein. This is the bridge, and they form anastomosis. Anastomosis means the communication between two arterioles and two veins. This is called anastomosis. The remaining part of the left common cardinal vein. Left common cardinal vein. They form coronary sinuses. This is the left common cardinal vein. They continue to the sinus venosus and they form a coronary sinuses. And the coronary sinuses drain venous from the myocardia into right atrium. The sinus venosus, also called as the coronary sinuses, and they drain into the superior vena. They form a superior vena cava. And clinicals, if the left cardinal vein fails to disappear, it results in a persist left superior vena cava, which usually drain into coronary sinus and may causes this dilation. Any doubts?
Any doubts? And coronary sinus. Only 3 points.
So this is the diagram of superior vena cava. The formation, I am talking about formation. The superior vena cava develops from the right atrial cardinal vein and the right common cardinal vein. Right anterior cardinal vein and right common cardinal vein. This is.
So basically, the superior vena cava is formed by the right side structures. The left side structures will generally degenerate. Okay. So the superior vena cava is formed by the union of the right anterior cardinal vein and right common cardinal vein. Right?
And it takes time to form a superior vena cava is 4 to 8 weeks.
So the development of superior vena cava can be seen between 4 to 8 weeks.
And I'm explaining you now. So coronary sinuses, the anastomosis develop between right and left cardinal vein. The right and left cardinal vein that form a bridge-like structure called as left brachiocephalic vein. You can see here.
It's an MCQ question.
This is very important for the exam. So the remaining part of our left common cardinal vein form a coronary sinuses. The remaining part of left common cardinal vein form the sinuses, and the sinuses also called as the coronary sinuses. They form right.
Okay, remember the point, the right and left Anterior cardinal vein forms an anastomosis. That anastomosis later develops into your brachiocephalic vein. Okay. The remaining left common cardinal vein joins your sinus venosus. These two structures together give a derivative, that is coronary sinus. Okay. These are the important points we should remember in the development of superior vena cava. Okay, so this finishes your development of cardiovascular system. Okay, we have discussed totally 5 important topics. The very first topic in this chapter is development of heart tube and its derivatives. Okay, there we have seen how the development of all 4 chambers of the heart takes place. The next topic is development of septums. We have seen the development of interatrial, interventricular and atrioventricular septum or node, then followed by what are the other structures we have seen there? Foramen ovale, septum primum, septum secundum and septum intermedium. Okay, these are the few structures we have seen in the development of septum part. The third part is development of pharyngeal arches or aortic arches. That part explains the development of different arteries in our body. Followed by development of veins. We have discussed about inferior vena cava, superior vena cava. In the last session, I have explained the portal vein and hepatic vein formation. You can check the video. Then again, your friends, can you guys please raise your hands? Call both of you raise your hand. Yeah. These two guys explained the fetal circulation yesterday. So if you have any doubts or if you want to clarify anything, you can discuss with those two. Okay. So these are the 5 important parts in your cardiovascular system chapter. Any doubts? Any doubts in this? No doubts? What about the clinical? What about the clinical of your cardiovascular system? And what about the clinical in your respiratory system? Okay, in cardio, take down the points. Development of cardiovascular system. We have many clinical conditions. Among the 3 are very important. Okay, the first one is Dextrocardia. Okay, and the second one is Fallot's tetralogy. Patent Ductus Arteriosus. Dextrocardia, Fallot's tetralogy and patent Ductus Arteriosus, PDA. Patent Ductus Arteriosus. These are the important ones. The last one is Ectopia Cordis. Ectopia Cordis. This condition is important for your vulva. First one is Dextrocardia. Second one is Fallot's tetralogy. It's an important 5 marks question. Fallot's tetralogy. Third one is patent Ductus Arteriosus, PDA. Patent Ductus Arteriosus. Last one is Ectopia Cordis. Last one Ectopia Cordis. It's important for your viva. So these are the few important clinical you should study in your cardiovascular system. Okay.